Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you some E.L.F brushes that I got. Actually, I was a little late to the party because I think these came out last year. But I finally got my hands on some. And they are the E.L.F Beautifully Precise Brushes. And I've always wanted these brushes because they have clear handles, which I love. So this is going to be an unboxing and a review of the products. And that noise just now, that was my cat. She's trying to stay in everything I'm doing. So I'm going to open this box. This is called the E.L.F Beautifully Precise Precision Sculpting Brush. And it's very pretty. So it looks like this. And it has a nice clear handle. I haven't used them yet, but I really like them. The thing that I really like about this, other than the fact that it's clear, it looks really, really chic, is the fact that they're actually triangular in shape. So the handle is not round, so it actually won't roll off your table, which is really nice. Well, this one probably wouldn't roll off anyway, but that's cool. And it changed my battery, and that makes it really nice to hold, actually. So this one is supposed to be for sculpting and doing the contour and stuff like that. And the way that I would do this is you apply the contour like this, and then you could kind of angle it, like not like this, but just a little twist, and that would make it easier for you to blend it out, which is really nice. And now I just made it not perfectly white because of my makeup. You could also use this, which is really cool. You could use this to pack on powder under your eye like so, which is really cool too. You could use it to contour your nose like this, and if you do like a lighter color like I do down the sides of the nose, you could do that with this. You could use it to do your highlighter as well, like so. And you could there's probably a lot of uses. Like you could use it to do your jawline, under here, lots of stuff. I really like this one. And like I said, because it's a triangular shape, you can hold it almost like a pencil, which is kind of cool. So you could really get pretty intense with it. So I think I'm gonna have lots of fun using this one. The next brush I have is missing. Oh, here it is. That's this one. This is the Beautifully Precise Precision Eyeshadow Brush. Now, if you're not, loving it, it's a little bit dense, but it's kind of flimsy. It's a little on the softer side. So here's some uses for this one if you happen to have it. Again, it has the beautiful handle, and it is in a triangular shape, so you can hold it kind of like a pencil. So what I would suggest with this one is to use it to apply your concealer under your eye. You could also, use it if you were doing like a wash of color over the eyelid like this. I would do it with that. It's great for putting your highlighter under your brow, so for the brow bone area. You could also use it to get that really tight highlight down the center of your nose. And if you want to highlight your nose, let me see if I can do that. So you could take this color here I'm going to use, and then you could pack it down on your nose, and it would sit perfectly right at the bridge all the way down, just like that, which is great. Make sure I'm not overdone there. You could also use it for underneath to blend out the underneath of your eye if you wanted to, because these bristles do come to a nice tapered point, so you could do that as well. Like I said, the brow bone area. You could also use it to put your highlight in the inner corner, which is great. And then lastly, the last brush that I got, I'm much more into detail brushes. So the last brush I got is this duo-ended brush, which is the Precision Eyebrow Duo Brush. Now, the reason I got this one is because I really like tiny detail brushes. So this one has a really tiny little head, and it's on an angle, which I like. And then the other side has a nice little spoolie. So for me, I like because if you see, this kind of fits for me in my eyebrow shape. So if I was to brush little like strokes this way, I could create little hairs. I think I had this problem before. Hair or hairs, however you want to say it, and put those in there. This would also be great for doing your under eye, under shadow here, or eyeliner. You could also use this to pack on the waterline if you wanted to. And you could also use this for making winged liners, because it does come to a nice point. It would probably be more on the thicker side, so you might have to be a little bit careful about how the shape is. It might be a little on the thick side for this one, but you could really use this to press eyeshadow into the lash line and make it appear like liner, which is great too. And then of course it has the spoolie on the other side, which is great for combing out your lashes, for combing out on the eyebrow as well, which I really like. You could also use this, in case you've never had a use for the other side, as a lip brush. So you could also do a precision lip brush with this and get a really nice line on the edges. So you don't always have to use these brushes for what they're meant for. You can do whatever you want with the brushes, like there's no rules. So anyways, that is the brushes that I have. I will let you know as time goes on. You'll probably see me do tutorials that have these brushes in them. So this is, like I said, the sculpting brush. I think this one might end up being one of my favorites because I really like the way it's densely packed. And these are very inexpensive. They are, however, a little bit more expensive for E.L.F brushes. I think that this one is like $5 in the middle. I think this was approximately $4 or $5 as well. And this one, I believe, was $11. I'll check the exact pricing for Canada and put it down at the description box below. These ones I found at Walmart. They do carry an extensive line of E.L.F cosmetics, so that's great. You can get them there. I think Giant Tiger also carries some of them. I haven't seen these at Giant Tiger, but you might be able to find them there. And of course you can get them online, and they always have discount codes. I hope that was helpful for you guys. It's a quick tip and a product rave, an unboxing and product rave, but I will let you know how I feel about these brushes as time goes on. You'll probably see them in future videos that I do, so I'll let you know and update you on how great the products are or if they aren't. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye.